Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66 Day Challenge. Get started in social media. I'm Amy Stack and today is day 21 of our challenge and we will be moving to a new platform, Instagram. This challenge is actually to make a decision. I'm going to share the differences between a personal Instagram account and a business Instagram account, and you will decide which is a better fit for your marketing strategy. Before I do that, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for business, start now by subscribing to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button and then the bell icon. Let's get started. Since Instagram business accounts feature similar stories and posts to personal accounts, it can be challenging to not only tell the difference between them, but also to decide which is best for you. Personal profiles are all about the basics, and business profiles get access to a ton of advanced features. And here are the main differences. We're going to start with the personal. So with a personal account, you can choose which posts you want to make public, which means that anybody on Instagram can see it, and which posts you want to make private, which means only your followers can see it. With an Instagram business account, everything is public to everyone all the time. Also, with a personal account, there's some conjecture that personal accounts have a higher organic reach, meaning you might need to be more purposeful and work a little harder to get the same reach with a business account. The thought behind it is that Instagram business accounts have access to Instagram ads, and that is a source of revenue for them, so they make it a little bit trickier to get that free organic reach on a business account. Lastly, with a personal Instagram account, you have the ability to link to multiple Facebook pages and profiles, whereas a business account is limited to one Facebook connection. So we do have some awesome pros on the business side. You can see we've got contact buttons, address and location, follower analytics, ad capabilities, and then a bonus. Once you've reached 10,000 followers, you can actually add links into your stories. So with a business account, you get a contact button. You can see here it's circled in red. You can set that up so that customers can call or email you directly from Instagram. So it's nice and easy for them to get a hold of you. You can also add your address and location. You can see that again, circled in red here. This allows your clients to easily find you, especially if you have an office that you meet at, or you're selling something, you're a store and you have a brick and mortar location. That comes in very handy. One of the biggest advantages of an Instagram business account is actually that you have access to analytics. So you don't have this at all on your personal account. These make it easy to tell which posts are performing well, so you can better understand your audience and tweak your strategy. You can see which accounts are being reached, how many of them are already following you, which viewers came via your hashtags, and more. I'll go over more specifics about these analytics in a later challenge. The business accounts also allow you to boost your posts and place ads. So once your analytics help determine which strategy is working, you can use these features to turbocharge your social media dollars to get even more views and engagement and a higher ROI. And as I mentioned, once you hit 10,000 or more followers, you can add this swipe up feature in your story. So you can see that circled in red at the bottom there. This is also going to help turbocharge your social media dollars to get you more engagement. And you can see, I guess you can't see it here. We'll be able to see later. So when you add the swipe up feature, it makes it much easier to get people directly to your website, which is a common challenge with personal Instagram accounts. There's no way to do a direct link on them. So you can also use this swipe up feature for a specific product, an event, a service, and then of course it's all tracked through the analytics too, so you can see all the reports around that. Let me know in the comments if you'll be using a personal or an Instagram account moving forward for the rest of our 66-day challenge training videos. I'll be using the business profile, and if you are unsure which type of account you want to use, you can try out a business one, and actually it's pretty easy. Not pretty, it is very easy to switch it back if you decide it's not the right fit for you. So this is actually going to conclude our training for the day, so remember to join me tomorrow for our next challenge, setting up your Instagram account. Before you go, remember to like and subscribe and click that bell for alerts for when new videos become available. I'll see you tomorrow.